Hi everyone, in this video, you will learn how to validate form fields of different types in PHP. Suppose we have an HTML form having different fields, where each field has different validation rules as shown here. Name. Required and should only contain letters and spaces. Email. Required and should be a valid email address. Website. Optional, if provided, and should be a valid URL. Comment, optional and can accept multiple lines of text. Gender. Required and the user must select one option. Now we'll look at an example. HTML form, text fields. To add text input fields like name, email and website, you can use this HTML code. HTML form text area and radio buttons. To add text area and radio buttons like comment and gender fields, you can use this HTML code. A submit button can be added like this. The form element. The HTML code of the form looks like this. When the form is submitted, the form data is sent using the post method, as specified by the method equals post attribute. This method sends the data in the body of the HTTP request, keeping it hidden from the URL, making it more secure for sensitive information. The underscore server is a super global variable, which is specified in the action attribute, returns the file name of the currently executing script. It allows the form to submit data to the same page from which it was accessed, rather than navigating to a different page. This is useful when you want to display form results or error messages on the same page as the form. The underscore server variable can pose a security risk if not handled properly, because a user might manipulate the URL by adding a slash followed by potentially harmful cross-site scripting XSS commands. To prevent the risk, always sanitize this value by using the HTML special chars function. Like this. This ensures that any potentially dangerous characters in the URL are converted to their HTML entities, making them harmless. If a user enters a standard URL in the address bar, such as this, the code will be translated to this value. The HTML special chars function in PHP converts special characters into their corresponding HTML entities. This function is crucial for preventing security vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting XSS attacks by ensuring that user input does not inject malicious HTML or JavaScript code into the page. Other PHP form validation methods. Use PHP trim function to remove unwanted characters, such as extra spaces, tabs, and newlines, from the user input. Use PHP strip slashes function to remove any backslashes from the input. Now we'll look at an example. In this example, we have created a function named test_input, which applies the trim, strip slashes, and HTML special chars functions to the input data passed as a parameter to this function. And here we are passing the input values to the test_input function for sanitization, before saving them in the desired variables. Email and URL validation. Here's an example on how to validate email and URL inputs in PHP by using the filter_var function. The filter_validate_email filter ensures the input matches the structure of a valid email address. And the filter_validate_URL filter ensures the input is a properly formatted URL. To learn more about the filter_var function, check our PHP filters tutorial. Also, check the video description for links to more tutorials on HTML form handling in PHP, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.